Today, I want to talk about the scrambling for breadcrumbs, which uh, which is a very very deep-rooted historical need in each and every human being, till they realize that they are scrambling for breadcrumbs, and that is when I think their life only gets scrambled away. It's strange. I don't know how many of you are going to relate with this or in the deepest way. In the deepest way. जैसे होता है ना कभी कभार कि एक ट्यून आप सुन रहे हो, आपको समझ भी आ रहा है, लेकिन एक दिन वो ट्यून जाके ना लगती है और समझ आ जाती है कि ओ दिस इज़ व्हाट दे वर सेइंग ऑल अलोंग. या द होल आइडिया इज़ दैट मे बी सम ऑफ यू कैन रिलेट विद इट ऑन अ वेरी वेरी डीप एंड रियल लेवल. And then again, all these words, deep, real, any word for that matter, is so subjective, and it applies to all of us. The subjectivity and how we look at things is subjective to how my perception is. Like, for example, if I see something and you see something, तो हमारा तो पूरा perception बहुत अलग होगा उस चीज़ के लिए. And then we form our opinions, and then we form our actions, and then we form our memories, and then they give rise to sensations, then to emotions, and then that repeats itself, and that forms a very large part of your personality. you know then you're labeled mercilessly by everybody, by yourself. And then one day everything breaks. And not one day nahi hota hai, but in the larger scheme of things, let's say, if because the universe is huge, yeah, so universe ke liye one day will be 10 years, I'm guessing, or even larger, right? So I'm like that, I'm saying. So I'm not saying one day for us humans, which is 24 hours. What I'm saying is one day, let's say over 5, 6, 7, 8 years, something starts to give way. And what is giving way is basically your own idea about yourself. And while you want to hold on to it, these are, now I'll get to the breadcrumbs bit. While it is all being taken away from you, and by who? All of this I'm questioning. Who is taking it away? Somewhere your own self is taking it away. But obviously it's going to be painful, because you have been holding on to relationships, to situations, to your own reality that you've built, or your own perception about yourself with your dear life for the longest time. Now suddenly something happens one day and you are introduced to something which shakes you up. Okay, now that's when the arrival of breadcrumbs happens. Okay, something shakes you up, but fear and breadcrumbs, by the way, go hand in hand. They go hand in hand. Remember this always. Every time that you're settling for breadcrumbs, no, ask yourself, what are you fearful of? Ask yourself. There is fear. Underlying is fear. Fear आपके अंदर जो बैठा है, उसकी जो कटोरा है, वो बस ब्रेड क्रम्स ही मांगेगा. ये हमेशा याद रखना, ठीक है? एंड जब फियर चला जाता है ना, उसके नीचे आप सच में हो. और जो फियर चला जाता है ना, बैंड बज जाती है. बैंड बजती है. लोग सोचते हैं बीइंग फियरलेस इज एन अमेजिंग प्लेस. It's not. It is daily wanting to hold back to the past that felt comfortable, but you can't relate with it. You moved on. You can't go back. You can't reverse. It's an irreversible chemical process, if you want to say it like that. I'm I'm in that zone. I feel, I know somewhere. Knowing भी होता है ना, एक intuitive knowing होता है. नहीं पता होता है कि आप आगे मूव कर चुके हो. कैसे पता होता है? You just know it in your bones. You can't explain it to anybody. How can you? How can you? How can you? Not even one cell that you have is shared by anybody else. तो उनको आपकी पूरी लाइफ हिस्ट्री, आप कैसे सोचते हो, आपके लाइफ में क्या क्या हुआ है, आपके थॉट्स क्या हैं, मेमोरीज क्या हैं, who will know? So only I will know, right? And as humans, I think, जैसे बोलते हैं that when once you start sharing and you start to understand it better, that's why maybe I make these videos. Whether you say video or you start to journaling is something I have been doing forever. But I think what videos do is that I kind of, I'm actually making them for my own purpose or my own need. Because what happens is that in the videos, I also get to see my own face and expressions and my eyes and all of that, right? So it's like a documentation of sorts. It's my own data. I mean, I don't even believe in any other data except data on oneself. I don't know, I've said this numerous times, I'm going to say it again, that the only thing one has to do in life is to keep unfolding or delayering or whatever unlayering, जो भी word होता है, constantly. That's all that there is actually in the world. And it's crazy how एक तो there's so much stuff that I've started to relate with, like ये हो चल क्या रहा है, what is going on, you know. But like I said, that'll keep coming. I mean, I have so much to say, but today I'm going to just focus on the fear bit and the breadcrumbs का relationship. Fear is instilled in us when we are born. जिस जैसे होता है कि जी आग को टच नहीं करना है, बच्चे को जो पता चल जाता है ये आग है, तो जी आग टच किया, पता है फियर है, कभी नहीं करोगे आप, ठीक है. That fear is survival fear, which is very important. So when I say that we are fearless, or one should be fearless, or one becomes fearless, whatever, that's not for the survival mode. Like, you can't just walk into fire and call yourself fearless. That's being stupid. What I'm saying is the breadcrumbs wala bit. Okay? Breadcrumbs are in the form of love, essentially, which then translate into respect, compassion, the empathy, the attitude, the behavior that is given out to you. And forget given out to you, the one that you start to accept and say, yeah, this is fine. And why is that? Because, and this goes for men and women, I know a lot of women will also, women के बारे में हम बोलते, women of course tend to take more breadcrumbs. That is a fact. वो भी fact है. आदमी फिर भी assert करते हैं अपने आप को, but this particular thing that I'm saying goes for all, and that is based on fear. Let me give you an example. अपने लाइफ में अभी देख लो, while you're listening to this, just kind of go through in your life, कौन सी जगह पे थोड़ा स्ट्रेस हो रहा है. कहीं ना कहीं तो हो ही रहा होगा. अगर आप बोलोगे मेरे को कोई स्ट्रेस नहीं है, तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा, यार, यू रियली नीड टू स्टार्ट वर्क ऑन योर सेल्फ. इसको ना, थिंक दैट आई एम प्रीचिंग, टेक इट लाइक दैट. तो आप मतलब आपकी ज़िंदगी में आप ब्लाइंड हो. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से. अगर आप बोलोगे जी आई एम स्ट्रेस फ्री, देन यू आर लाइंग टू योर सेल्फ. ओके, और यू हैव रीच्ड निर्वाणा, तो तब आप ऑब्वियसली फ़ोन पे नहीं होगे, मोस्ट लाइकली, बिकॉज ऑल ऑफ दिस विल डिसअपियर, राइट. फिर आपको मन ही नहीं करेगा ये सब करने के लिए. सो जस्ट लुक एट एनी स्ट्रेस राइट नाउ इन योर लाइफ, समथिंग दैट इज स्ट्रेसिंग यू आउट, राइट. वो जो चीज़ आपको स्ट्रेस दे रही है उसमें 100% कोई ना कोई इंसान इन्वॉल्व होगा, पक्का. हैज़ टू बी. अगर इंसान नहीं भी इन्वॉल्व है, एक सिचुएशन इन्वॉल्व होगी जिसमें फिर लोग इन्वॉल्व हैं, वो तो और भी, दैट इज़ इवन वर्स, where you are about to make a decision but you're always considering how is it going to land with people. Okay, and that is a very normal thing because man is a social animal and we are always working with relation to everybody else. That's just how it is, because we have this thing that we think, right? So एक वो Descartes था या कौन था, Descartes typically, who had said I think therefore I am. गड़बड़ कर दिया यार उस आदमी ने, पूरी सच्ची बता रही हूँ मैं. एनीवेज, आई थिंक therefore I am का क्या मतलब है यार, मतलब डाइग्रेसिंग. What I'm saying is, come to that situation and now look at it. So two things होंगे. एक तो कोई ना कोई इंसान के साथ गंदा वाला स्ट्रेस हो रहा होगा, ठीक है, गंदा वाला. And but you must be accepting breadcrumbs. Okay, so let's say it's your partner or it's your parents or it's a friend or it's a business partner, यही होंगे, इसके अलावा कोई हो ही नहीं सकता, right? Or your child, whatever. And there is a fear of loss of the relationship. And then what is that fear? वो तो अगर let's say that person disappears from your life, okay, whether it's your parents or whether it's your partner, whether it's your child, anybody, वो तो फैक्ट है. बट उसके बाद यू विल बी लेफ्ट विद वॉट? पेन, सैडनेस, ग्रीफ, लॉस, ट्रेजेडी, दैट एक्सक्रूशिएटिंग पेन दैट किल्स, दैट चॉप्स द इनसाइड्स ऑफ यू. वो तो डील नहीं करना है ना उसके साथ थोड़ी ना डील करना है आपको. वो फियर है. तो देन आई विल बी लेफ्ट अलोन and I will have to sit with all my emotions. Therefore, whatever I'm being given right now, I will take. And that, my friends, is called breadcrumbs. And I'm telling you because मेरी पूरी ज़िंदगी आधारित है इसी कॉन्सेप्ट पे, तभी बता पाऊँगी आपको. लेकिन I've also moved on. जब आपको रियलाइज़ होता है ना, that's when you look back. Like when you are getting breadcrumbs, that time you don't know. But, and now hear me carefully, okay? breadcrumbs जो होते हैं वो मेरी चॉइस होते हैं, लेकिन इट इज़ एन अनकॉन्शियस चॉइस. इट्स एन अनकॉन्शियस, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग इनटू. ओके, सो जस्ट स्टे विद मी इफ दिस इज इंटरेस्ट ऑफ एनी इंटरेस्ट टू यू. पहले आप ब्रेड क्रम्स ले रहे होते हो क्योंकि फियर जो होता है ना, देखो ज़िंदगी में ना हमेशा दो जगहों से यूर ऑपरेटिंग, इधर आउट ऑफ फियर और आउट ऑफ लव. अगर फियर होगा ना तो लव की जगह नहीं होगी, हो ही नहीं सकती. वो दोनों एक कंटेनर में एक टाइम पे नहीं रह सकते. वो एक था ना, एक और कबीर का नहीं था, कुछ था, एक म्यान में दो तलवारें नहीं रह सकती, राइट? इट्स द सेम थिंग. इट इज़ प्रीटी मच द सेम थिंग दैट both fear and love will not be together at the same place. It is next to impossible. Okay, now what happens is that, let alone how the world dictates us, or the goings on in the world, or the trends of the world, or the history of the world, इट इज़ ऑब्वियसली ओनली फियर जनरेटिंग, नथिंग इज़ लव जनरेटिंग। एक बार देख लो, चाहे आसपास अपना लाइफ देख लो यार। आप लोग क्या, हम सब, वी वी गेट अ जॉब, वी गेट एजुकेशन एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, इट्स ऑल फियर बेस्ड, इट्स नॉट लव बेस्ड। लव बेस्ड नहीं है। लव बेस्ड होता तो एजुकेट हो रहे होते, क्वालिफाई नहीं हो रहे होते, राइट? एंड सिमिलरली इफ यू लुक एट द एजुकेशन सिस्टम्स, द ग्रेड्स एंड everything is fear based, that if this does not happen then that will happen, and that if that happens then we are screwed. So that's fear. Okay, that's a very tiny example. Okay, so now let's go back to what I was saying was that एक ना unconscious fear generate होता है बच्चे के life में या अपना childhood के life में, when maybe and this could be for everybody, okay, but I'm talking about myself, that you feel if this does not happen then that will happen. So my life has been fear, or based on fear, possibly more than based on love. My external circumstances, not my internal circumstances. So imagine the kind of conflict I've lived in all my life, and this may be true for a lot of you. I don't know. I don't know even if you've landed upon it, or have you stumbled upon this reality. Or are you so still so blanketed by fear that you're not able to remove the blanket and actually see, oh shit, this is fear. एंड एक चीज़ मैं बता सकती हूँ आपको कि सच में फियर के आगे जो है ना, वहाँ रियल ज़िंदगी शुरू होती है, या आगे या नीचे, व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू कॉल इट. नाउ पास्ट 5-6 years हैव गॉन इनटू जस्ट दिस. अभी आप इसको बाय चॉइस कहो या बाय फोर्स कहो, पर ज़िंदगी ने ऐसे चपेटे मारे यार पिछले 6-7 साल में, एक के बाद एक, ऑलमोस्ट एज इफ आई वॉज बीइंग प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दिस, एंड यू होल्ड ऑन टू द बाय योर डियर लाइफ टू दोज ब्रेड क्रम्स. You do, because when fear is moving, it's going away, you know. Yeah, that feeling, or that's not even a feeling, it's a state of being. It's there is no explanation. I can't explain it. I cannot explain that feeling, and I've been in that zone continuously for a really long time, a very very long time. And again, what is long, what is short, wo kaun kya bolega, but now it's becoming familiar, and the thing is that familiar कब बनता है, जब आपको समझ आता है कि अच्छा ये वही चीज़ हो रही है, और इसके आगे it is unsettling, it is uncomfortable, it's just so unfamiliar, but then after a while you seek it, because you know that at the end of it is the fearlessness. And when the fearlessness arrives, ये ना वो वाला fearlessness गलती से भी मत सोचना कि very courageous, very brave, too much bravado, too much guts, नहीं. वो in fact a lot of times guts and being super brave, super courageous is a byproduct of an adrenaline rush, which is a fight or flight response, which not necessarily is the absence of fear. No, on the contrary, it would be the presence of a lot of fear, and that is allowing the adrenaline to force you into doing things that you wouldn't do otherwise. What I'm talking about is very different, because I've been on the other side as well. I've been very gutsy and bold, but that was never coming out of love. It was coming out of fear. That's the discernment that is starting to come now. The discernment is this, that you start to look at things from a very different perspective. Everything is losing its meaning. Everything is losing its meaning. Everything. Like, मेरे को समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है क्या चल रहा है. Like what? Everything. That's all I can say. That, okay, what's the point of this? And it's not pointlessness. Okay, what is the point of this? Let's just give up. No, it is a very curious pointlessness. Okay, why is this happening? What's the point of this? What is beyond this? इसके आगे क्या होगा? क्योंकि अभी fear तो चला गया, तो अब आप देखते हो क्योंकि fear के आगे क्या होगा यार? What's the worst that will happen is that you die. Now that's the absolute truth. वो तो सबको जाना ही है. उसके अलावा क्या क्या होगा? जो होगा वो हो चुका है, right? So then you wonder, okay, fine. Now you come at a place where you start to look at things, you start to look through things and through people. And that's another very unsettling place, because you can catch lies, you can catch corrupt minds, you can catch intentions. And this is where, I have made so many videos on being a highly sensitive person. That is now aiding me. Now it's aiding. I used to make videos about 2-3 years, I think 3 years ago, or 2.5-3 years ago, I started to make those videos where I used to say, because I've always been stumbling on myself, into myself. I've always been searching, I still am. So the more you search, the more you find, the more unsettled you get, the more you start to accept the unfamiliarity and the uncomfortable, or the discomfort, and that becomes your new reality, and then you realize, okay, this could not be the end of it, there's more, and then you're ready. then you're ready. Then you're literally taking it as it comes. So I am at that place, you know. So finding out that I'm an HSP was one part of it, one part. And for the longest time, you start to, you know, feel bad that why am I this and why do I feel so much? And today you realize maybe you were being prepared for this day, where पहले तो थोड़ा विक्टिम मोड में रहते थे. अभी भी आता है विक्टिम मोड, बहुत बार आता है, बहुत बार आता है यार. हो तो तुम इंसान ही ना. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे तो ऐसा लगता है मेरे साथ इतना सारा क्यों हो रहा है. वाई सो मच, why so much together with such high intensity and high frequency? Like, give me a break, you know. But then again, you feel that maybe that's also happening for a reason, you know. So I'm in that space. And now to end the video, the breadcrumb bit. Breadcrumbs you will just stop accepting, and not because मेरा right है ये वो नहीं. You'll just start seeing that this is breadcrumbs, and then you will choose. अच्छा, you are only capable of giving me breadcrumbs. That's fine. That's okay. Literally, are you understanding this? That's where you arrive. You no longer get angry. You start looking at, बिकॉज देखो फियर चला गया ना. समझ रहे हो, पहले फियर मांगता था कटोरा लेके ब्रेड क्रम्स को, अब फियर नहीं है. तो अभी अगर आपको कोई ब्रेड क्रम्स दे रहा है तो आपको तो आपको डर नहीं लग रहा है कि अगर इन्होंने ब्रेड क्रम्स ये मैं ले लेती हूँ ताकि ना मेरे को किसी और चीज़ के साथ डील नहीं करना हो. डील तो आप कर चुके हो, फियर आपका निकल चुका है. तो अभी कोई आपको ब्रेड क्रम्स दे रहा है तो आपको गुस्सा नहीं आएगा ना, आपको दुख होगा, कुछ नहीं होगा. यूल बी लाइक ओके, मे बी दैट्स ऑल दैट यू कैन गिव, एंड दैट्स ओके. एंड इट विल नेवर बी in comparison with what your worth is. Now, no longer will you need validation or somebody is giving breadcrumbs or not giving breadcrumbs as a yardstick to how valuable you are. That is like, that's a wonderful place to be. I'm arriving at that place. I'm not saying that I'm there yet, but I am. I'm touching that place, and it's almost like what you think of me, what you are capable of giving to me, whether in terms of your value, your respect, your love. Great, but I don't need it. And please don't consider this as a disrespect. No, it'll always be saranko par, but I don't need it, is what I'm saying. You know, similarly in the worldly ways, if I were to talk as an artist or whatever it is that I do, and you know, I go to people and I see all kinds of people, all kinds of clients, the way they talk, what they are doing. I understand, I see the intent, I see everything now. I just see it. And now it's no longer, oh yeah, why give me this much and ऐसे नहीं है वैसे नहीं है. तो मुझे लगता है कि यार तुम उतना ही दोगे, ठीक है, और मुझे तो कोई फ़र्क ही नहीं पड़ता है. बिकॉज इवन द वैल्यू ऑफ मनी और द अंडरस्टैंडिंग और द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ मनी, कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ वर्क, कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ गेटिंग मनी फॉर वर्क, all that is fading. It's just fading off. So then you take what is, look at what it is, accept what it is, and you move on. Because मेरा काम क्या है, मेरा काम तो मेरे अंदर घुसना है डेली. एंड हाँ, ये सारी चीज़ें चाहिए क्योंकि अनफॉर्चुनेटली और फॉर्चुनेटली यू आर लिविंग इन अ वर्ल्ड वेयर well, I have a child and उसको तो जाना है ना college, and there are bills, so called. I don't even like this statement anymore. I have to pay bills, you know. But फिर भी and it's not even a lie that अपने आप को झूठ मत बोलो. No, it is all man-made and it's all crap, but we're living in it, है ना. So obviously I need you know, I need financial stability and I need to look out for my child and the lifestyle that I follow. But are you understanding now? I'm no longer attached to it. Therefore, it does not matter who's giving what, you know. And I see intentions and it doesn't hurt me anymore, and I still continue doing my work, which is one and only one, to keep getting to know myself better and better. And once I know myself better and better and better and better, the more I go into myself, the more I come out, and the more I realize where everybody's coming from. Therefore, the empathy raises itself to another level. Kindness raises itself to another level, you know. But at the same time, all emotions, all of them reside in me equally, holding hands and dancing.